Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP862B TempSpike XR wireless smart meat thermometer. In this video, we'll be going over the package contents, the design and features, and setup and pairing. First, let's go over the package contents. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one USB Type-C charging cable, one TP862B base station, two stainless steel probes, and one optional signal booster. Now let's go over the design and features. The TP862B is equipped with a large LCD display, which has both internal and ambient temperature readings for the black and white probes. It has both a base and probe battery power indicator, 10 preset USDA meat settings with a custom temperature setting, internal and ambient temperature alarm indicators, a backlight for usage in low light conditions, magnetic backing, a tabletop stand, and a built-in lithium rechargeable battery. Now let's quickly go over the probe design. The sensor for the internal meat temperature is located in the tip of the probe, while the sensor for the ambient air temperature is located in the handle. When inserting the probe into the meat, always insert the probe far enough into the meat so only the handle is visible. Now let's go over setup and pairing. First, fully charge both the base station and the probes. When the battery indicator stops scrolling, the base and probes are fully charged. The base station and probes come pre-paired at our facilities. In the event you need to repair the probes to the base station, please follow these steps. First, power on the base station. Second, remove the probes from the base station. And third, press and hold the resync button for 3 seconds. You will see the temperature of the probes appear on the display. This indicates that the probes are now paired to the base station. Now let's go over how to set a custom internal and ambient temperature target. Press the probe button to choose between the black or white probe setting. Then press the meat button until program is displayed. Use the up or down arrow buttons to choose your internal temperature target. Press ambient to switch to the ambient target setting. Use the up and down arrow buttons to choose the high ambient target, then press the ambient to confirm that setting. It will automatically switch to the ambient low setting, and then repeat the same steps. To turn on or off internal and ambient temperature alarms, press and hold the alarm button for 3 seconds for both the probe and ambient. You will see the alarm indicator on the display when the alarm is turned on. Now let's go over how to set a preset USDA internal temperature target. Press the probe button to choose between the black or white probe setting. Press the meat button to select which type of meat preset you would like to use. Adjust the doneness level by pressing the taste button. Please note, you can only adjust the doneness level with certain meats. For example, you can adjust beef to rare, medium, well, or well done. But you cannot adjust chicken, as there is only one recommended safe setting for chicken. After setting the preset internal temperature target, press and hold the probe alarm button for 3 seconds to turn on the temperature alarm. Now let's go over how to turn on or off the button sounds. To turn on or off the button sounds, simply press and hold the up and down arrow buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Now let's go over the signal booster features and pairing. The signal booster is designed to extend the remote range between the base and probes from 1,000 feet to 2,000 feet. Please note, obstructions will drastically reduce the range. Once powered on, the signal booster will automatically pair with the base station and probes. The power indicator will flash red, indicating the battery is low. Once fully charged, the indicator light will turn green. The signal indicator will flash green every 4 seconds, indicating it is connected, and flashes red when disconnected. The signal booster is also equipped with a reset button, a USB Type-C charging port, a hanging hole, magnetic backing, and has an IPX6 waterproof rating. Congratulations, you are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP862B TempSpike XR wireless smart meat thermometer.